This is a grandfather clock that's coming for restoration. It's fairly typical of this area. There's not a lot wrong with it. It's mainly the plinth. And that's the hood, which does need a bit of attention as well. The trunk door is really nice. It's a good piece of quartered oak. All the cross bandings there, mouldings all intact, no nibbled corners or anything, so that's fine apart from needing repolishing. And it even has the original lock, which just needed a new pin putting in. So the main problem with the plinth is the usual thing, mouldings mostly missing. There's a bit here, so it gives me some sort of a pattern to work from. And I actually got a piece of oak that I've already machined up for something else, I can't remember what it was. But if I cut this edge off, it gives me that moulding there, and it's exactly the right shape. I just need to add a block on for the bottom. It's just whether it's long enough. I need 2 of them. 41 and a quarter. And that is 41 and a quarter. That is going to be tight, but it'll save me cutting another piece. And as well, the OG bracket feet are missing, which they always seem to be. It does have a crack down the middle that someone's filled in the past at some point. Might try and take that out and redo that. It's not very flush though. There's a bit of a step in it there. That's not so bad, but up here it's got a bit of a step. I can't. There's blocks behind it, so whether I can actually flatten it out or not, I don't know. And I can replace some of the cross banding as well, sort that out. So looking at the side of the plinth, this is the back edge at the bottom. It's got a chunk missing there, and there's a smaller piece missing on the other side. So I'll piece that in. I'll probably do that first and start working on the front, cut the mould in, put that on and make some feet. It did have a bottom board in at some point. It's just this little bit left at the front. It probably got broken when the weight lines broke and smashed through it. That's the usual problem. So I'll take that off, and I'll take this moulding off, and I'll just see what I can do about this crack in the middle. So that's the front panel from the inside. You can see that was probably went across there. Someone's cut that in half and half of it's gone missing. The one at the top has actually been sawn through, but I think I'll take these off, get them out of the way, that glue block as well, and it'll free up this whole front panel and I can sort that out. But like I said before, I'll do these corners first. I have a panel from another clock that was scrapped. I think this is a Plinth panel as well from the side. So I'll cut a piece out of there and put that in there, and another piece for the other side. Just getting rid of some of the glue. I've recut the rebate so it'll accept the backboard, and then I can put the glue blocks back in. But before I do that, I'm going to sort out this front panel, the crack in the middle, so whilst I've still got access to the back. this is just some of the paint stripper that's dribbled into the gap.